Regards to all. Today we are evacuating water from your terrace or balcony. Whether it's rain or when you wash your balcony with water. If you do not have an escape hatch from your balcony, it would be filled with water as a pool. And then you could raise fish there. Today we show an evacuation of water when the balcony is full of water. The hole is placed at a height of 2 to 3 centimeters. And when it comes to evacuating the water of a full balcony, then a hole is opened at the same level as the floor is from the balcony. So we're going. We set this up, element made of aluminum, coating the substrate for better bonding. We mount the drill on the machine. Very important. Do not put this opening on the side where the water is going to the side of the neighbor's balcony or entrance. So the evacuation opening always goes to the side of the yard or street. If there's already must be an exit to a neighbor's side balcony or communal courtyard. In that case, the actual drain is most commonly made of plastic pipes that throw the water all the way down. We mark the place where we need to make an opening. Due to the cooling of the drill, we must use water. We make a hole. Drilling may take more than 60 minutes, depending on the hardness of the wall. The exit or evacuation water exit must have at least a slight drop to the balcony's appearance. Unfortunately, in my career I have seen many evacuations that are not well done, or when the rain drops, the water returns inside the balcony. I set up an evacuation of 50 millimeters. It can be even bigger if the balcony is bigger. We finished with drilling. This aluminum is prepared with a cut of 12 by 16 centimeters. The substrate must be dry. The wall is also coated with the substrate, to which we later position the other parts. With the help of this substrate, the other parts are better adhered to the wall or wood or ceramics or some other material. We cut it in the form of a cube because of its beautiful aesthetic appearance. This goes to the wall. The first and second part. This part is glued to the wall by heating. We cut the hole. Then we place an aluminum element. Sometimes it has to be fixed to the help of a hammer. It is also set by heating. due to a better flow of water. Set it like this. Finally, we put aluminum paper, also by heating. And finally, the hole is cut off. This can also be painted in the color of the base facade or the color you want. Also set up this guard drain pipe cover for rainwater protection. This is all, people. I hope I helped somebody. If you have any questions, write in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.